Today is our question some difficult, so we have to solve this question. Question is number 7, and then we have two values x plus y equal to 2, but there's some changing in which 1 by x plus 1 by y equal 1 by 6. So this is some difficult for us to solve this problem. So let's solve this equation with a real time world example. Okay, after all, so first step is using identify. How we identify? So we should be take LCM. We should multiply both sides. X multiply y, so this should be xy. Then y and x should be plus it. So this is a factorization method, that's all, and 1 by 6 as it is it. So this is a cross multiplication in which x multiplied by x1, and this should be xy. And then you put the value x plus 2 in that place, and our product is 12 of x and y. So this is some difficulty at the beginning of our question, and at next place it should be same as previous questions. So we have equations. I already explained this. This is our quadratic equation. We have simply put the values of these two. Okay, xy should be 12, so put the 12 at this place, and then you have to find a discriminant in this equation. What is discriminant, and we have to tell it later. Okay, so discriminant is discriminant is like so you should apply quadratic formula if you do it non-discriminant. Okay, so discriminant should be b square minus 4ac. This is discriminant formula. Okay, you should use this, and you should also use our previously I used quadratic formula. You should also use that also. Okay, b square is 2 whole square minus 4ac. A should be 1 and c should be 12. 2 square is 4, and 4 multiplied 12 is minus 48, and our discriminant is minus 44, and this is a negative, so root are complex, and this is first time in which our root should be complex. Complex mean our answer should be in form of iota, and it should not be in a number. Okay, so in quadratic formula, for example, you should put the values minus 2 should be plus 2, and b square should be 4 minus 4ac. For a should be 1 and c should be 12 divided by 2a. 2a multiplied by 1 because value of a is 1, and then 4 as it is, and 4 multiply 12 minus 96 this. Okay, and 4 minus 9 4 minus 96 4 minus 97, what it should be. So this is some difficult question. Okay, then we apply it is another form. Sorry, it is a mistake, it is a 48. Okay, then I should take this point and this point as a there. 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 48, it should be minus 44 and divided by 2. Okay, then uh, in this question under root is under minus, our value should be is negative. And what should I do? So before solving this, I should tell you one thing, that if minus under root this thing come to place, so it should be equal to negative iota. Okay, negative 1 under root should be iota, and this should cover your concept. These two things you should know before solving this type of problem. Okay, and then put these values in their place. For example, 2 plus under root 44 multiply minus 1, that thing, and divide by 2. 2 plus under root 44 and this under root minus 1 equal to iota, so iota divided by 2. Okay, then our answer should be that is 2 divided by 2 plus minus under root 4 divided by 2 iota, that thing, and it is cancelled out. I forget to put minus, and 2 should be cut out, and there should be 1 plus minus, and this should be under root 44 divided by 2. You should calculate from calculator, and this should be 3.32 iota. This is our final answer. Okay, so what should be x and what should be y? So our question is that, so our x and y is x is 1 plus 3.32 iota, y is 1 minus 3.32 iota. These are two things, okay, in which 1 plus 3.32 iota and 1 and these are two are complex root. You should know about it, and how we take it a real time. For example, you know that about pipe system or labor work. Time each pipe or worker take individually and complete his job. Okay, x plus 2 x plus y, you know, x plus y is 2. So if two workers times add up just 2 hours, so this should be 2 hours. Okay, if two workers, this is one worker 1 and this is worker 2. Okay, this is one person, this is second person. If both are working at the same time, so this can take 2 hours to complete their work. They cannot work together, take 6 hours to finish his job. Okay, take 6 hours to finish job. This would imply that together they are working slower than either alone, which is impossible. Okay, and there is another thing. If both are not working same time, x is working alone and y working is alone. Okay, so it should take 6 hours, and there is a concept where if both working together they should take 2 hours, and if both are working individually they can take 6 hours. So that's why uh, our answer should be in a complex root, because it is complex to solve this problem. You cannot combine two real positive working times that sum is 2 hours and still have a joint efficiency for only one job per 6 hours. Such a model would mean someone is working negatively. In reality, either miscalculation and incompatible constraint. So, for example, if one is working at opposite side, so that's why it take 6 hours. Okay, so this is our key concept of in planning inside engineering and project planning, or so that's why it should in question it should be this type of things. Okay, it is known as individual rate. Okay, it should be known as individual rates. So that's for now, and now we would move to the next question.